Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly unbox the BRAVIA 8 Series Mark II from Sony. So as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward setup for this one. You definitely do want to make sure you have a second person there with you if you're going to do a 65-inch or larger, just to make sure the TV stays steady and doesn't fall over. It does have two different ways you can install the pedestal. There's either the soundbar profile like we have it here behind me, or there's a lower profile as well. Just make sure you set up both sides to the same setting to make everything even. This is everything we were expecting from this TV. It's got a beautiful picture. The sound quality is excellent. We're going to go through all those details in our product overview video on this one, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Thanks as always for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.